Greetings, YouTube. Allowing on these packages from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, right here in Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. We're out here this morning in our backyard food forest, YouTube. I'm about to give you guys a quick peek, a quick update, YouTube, on our yellow and white hybrid sweet corn that we're currently growing here at the flat in our backyard food forest. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Our yellow and white hybrid sweet corn has really come into its own, YouTube. We have some nice, healthy looking ears of corn on our plants back here, YouTube. And we couldn't possibly be more excited about what we have growing on back here at the flat in our backyard food forest. Today is about day 70, I think. It's been about 70 days since we planted this yellow and white hybrid sweet corn back here, YouTube. And again, it is looking fantastic back here in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this update on our yellow and white hybrid sweet corn that we're currently growing at the flat back here in our backyard food forest, and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to put that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing yellow and white hybrid sweet corn at the flat in our backyard food forest. Thanks for watching.